Did somebody say stoichiometry? Did somebody say stoichiometry?
Did somebody say stoichiometry?
Did somebody say stoichiometry?
Did somebody say stoichiometry? Did someone say stoichiometry? Guys, we're gonna be late for stoichiometry. Come on, let's go. Did somebody say stoichiometry?
We're here to teach you stoichiometry of a candle. Candles are made of paraffin wax, which is C25H52. When paraffin wax burns with oxygen gas, carbon dioxide and water are produced.
If we have 35.5 grams of paraffin wax that burn, how many liters of carbon dioxide are produced at STP? STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. To start off, you first have to write the given, which is 35.5 grams of paraffin wax. The second thing you need to do is identify what you're trying to find, which is liters of carbon dioxide. Then you need to write that at the end of your problem. Now you need to cancel out grams of paraffin wax. By doing that, you need to find the molar mass of paraffin wax, which is you take the mass of carbon and you multiply it by 25, and you take the mass of hydrogen and you multiply it by 52, and you add the two numbers together. You get 352.66 grams of paraffin wax. Now you can cross off the units.
Now that we found the molar mass of paraffin wax and it's over 1 mole, we have to refer back up to the equation that we used at the very beginning of the problem. In order to do this, we have to set up a molar ratio right here of what we are finding and of what we already have. So in order to do that, we look up here and there's no coefficient in front of it. So we put that down here in order to cancel. And then on the top, we have to look at liters of carbon dioxide. The coefficient is 25. Now, from there, we can cancel moles of C25H52, which is paraffin wax, and then the same thing on the bottom. Now for the last step, we have to get liters. So we have to use 22.4 liters carbon dioxide over 1 mole of carbon dioxide. This is the standard unit for liters for all molar equations, and it's always over 1 mole of that substance. Now, to get our answer, we multiply all the top row and multiply all the bottom row and divide the top number by the bottom number. Our answer would be 56.37 liters of carbon dioxide. This matches up with the number, the unit that we found at the very beginning, which referred to this part of our question. We circle that, and you're done.
Did you know that candles are used in 7 out of 10 U.S. households?
Did you know that 90% of candles are bought by women?
Did you know that $2 billion are spent on candles each year?
Stoichiometry. Yo. Stoichiometry. We're just sitting in the library doing some stoichiometry. Drinking water. What? Stoichiometry. Cut. Now we up in here doing stoichiometry of a candle. Get me out of there. Let me come out.
What?
Did you know my name?
Did you know that my name's Maddie?
Look at the camera.
Oh, I know.
I wonder if Austin's mom will show this on the news.